सो कार्तिक, नमस्कार। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका आज के इस लाइव टॉक में ज्वाइन करने के लिए। सो वेलकम टू ऑल माय व्यूअर्स।
नमस्कार त्रिभुवन।
नमस्कार। Welcome to all my viewers and my social media family members, those who joining me in Facebook and my YouTube channel. जैसा कि after a very long time, I thought to have this session with Karthik, but बीच में हम कुछ कर नहीं पाए. But today I got this opportunity and you given me the time to set up this call. Or nowadays are very difficult for all of us due to this pandemic, and we never know which moment of life will turn for any one of us. तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने उन सभी साथियों, परिजनों, रिश्तेदारों और जानने वालों को अपनी हार्दिक संवेदना प्रकट करना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने अपनों को, अपने रिश्तेदारों को इस कोरोना के टाइम में जूझते हुए खोया है। बट एक चीज, एक समिशन है कि समय एक जैसा कभी नहीं रहता है, और इसी उम्मीद के साथ आज मैं अपना ये टॉक शो शुरू करता हूं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स कार्तिक once again. You spare your some of the valuable time with me today. I know that you have a lot of other schedules which you took this time, and assuming we will discuss today here with you the key aspect of in our today's real life what we are facing during this pandemic. To tell my viewers, Karthik is an IT professional and IT Roorkee alumni, and more than that, I feel he's a great, thorough intellectual personality. Welcome you, Karthik, and it's my honor to have you in my talk show today again.
Thank you, Tribhuvan, for calling me.
Welcome, Karthik. Viewers, before to start today's topic, आप सब लोगों ने हमारे 2 टॉक शो इससे पहले देखे हैं। तो जो पहला हमारा कनेक्ट था, that was we spoke on the topic my life is my responsibility. दूसरा टॉपिक था जब हम दूसरी बार कनेक्ट करा, लाइफ का यू टर्न, एंड टुडे वी आर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड and with a new topic which is life is a game. अभी इस पे थोड़ा सा अब हम डिटेल में जाएंगे। तो I just start with this thought and I am putting my first question to Karthik. Right now we are going through a time when lot is going wrong around us. Everybody knows that, and there are a lot of things which are beyond our control. In this situation, what is the most important for one to do? तो ये जो डिफिकल्ट टाइम है हम सब के लिए, इसको हम कैसे, मतलब क्या चीजें ऐसी कुछ खास चीजें हैं जिसको हमें ध्यान रखना है? और मैं सिर्फ इतना ही बोलना चाहूंगा कि व्यूअर्स, मेरे जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में पसंद करते हैं सुनना, तो हम मिक्स रखेंगे, तो दैट विल बी ग्रेट. ओवर टू यू, कार्तिक.
Thank you, Tribhuvan, for giving me the opportunity to share my learning and realizations to all of you. And before all that, I would like to thank all those viewers who have taken their time to listen to the earlier 2 talks which Tribhuvan had organized, in which first he spoke on my life is my responsibility, and second one when I spoke to you about my life ka U-turn. So first of all, I would like to convey my thank you to all those viewers who have who have visited the show, and then here they also provided their likes and support, which is given me the encouragement to come and share my learning and realizations with all of you. So yeah, I understand that right now we are going through a tough time. We are going through a time when lot of things are going wrong around us. We also understand many of what is going around us is beyond the human control. So in this situation, what is most important is how one manages one's thoughts. Even if things are not going right around us, or to be precise, even if things are not going right the way one wants it, what is most important is I have to think right even if things are going wrong. When I think right, okay, whatever is not going right around me will also turn right. That is the fundamental premise on which scriptures also say insist on people to think right.
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली. सो मेरे को एक जोसेफ मर्फी का एक उनकी सेइंग याद आ रही है. उन्होंने क्या बोला, जस्ट आई वांट टू रीड इट बिकॉज दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग विद योर दिस थॉट. उन्होंने लिखा, यू कैन बिल्ड रेडिएंट हेल्थ, सक्सेस एंड हैप्पीनेस बाय द थॉट्स यू थिंक इन हिडन स्टूडियो ऑफ योर माइंड. ये मैंने रीड किया ऑन दी his book, or it is perfectly what it is complementing what you stated. So moving forward, my next question, Karthik, uh, let's little bit elaborate it. Can you elaborate why one should think right when things don't go right in one's life? तो जब भी हम डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में लाइफ में होते हैं और हमें लगता है कि हमारे साथ जो है चीजें बहुत अच्छी नहीं जा रही हैं, तो उस टाइम पर अपने थिंकिंग को कंट्रोल करना, वही हमारा आज का टॉपिक है. आप थोड़ा सा इसको इलेबोरेट करेंगे? कैन यू इलेबोरेट टू माय व्यूअर्स?
बिल्कुल त्रिभुवन. सो वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड हमारे अंदर 5 पर्सनालिटीज होता है. पहला पर्सनालिटी है द फिजिकल पर्सनालिटी, यानी कि जो शरीर. दूसरा है द मेंटल पर्सनालिटी विच इज द मन. तीसरा है इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सनालिटी. जो इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सनालिटी, ये जिसे हम कहते हैं विवेक, जो हमें सही गलत का जो है में अंतर करना सिखाता है. चौथा पर्सनालिटी है इमोशनल पर्सनालिटी. इमोशनल पर्सनालिटी इज द पर्सनालिटी विच helps us understand or classify between what is pain and what is pleasure. And there's a fifth personality which is the spiritual personality. So इसमें से okay, the at one end we have the physical personality which is the body, और the mental personality, intellectual personality and emotional personality, ये तीनों चीज को put together अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं psychological personality. And the spiritual personality is the connect which we have with the force above all of us. Whatever name you want to call it, you want to call it Ishwar, you want to call it Allah, you want to call it whatever you want to call it, but there is one force which is beyond human control, which is what is the connect with that is what we call as a spiritual personality. So ये जो physical personality है and the psychological personality है, ये जो physical personality और psychological personality, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ इतना tightly linked रहता है, which is why we call every human being को अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं psychosomatic personality. Psycho is the psychological personality, soma is the body, and both together put together becomes the psychosomatic personality, which means क्या हम सोचते हैं और क्या हम करते हैं, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ इतना tightly related है that you can't separate these two. So which means that when things are going right, okay, and I think right, so this goes like whatever I think leads to what I feel. What I feel helps me relate to what I do. तो ये पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में भी जा सकता है, ये नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन भी जा सकता है. A classic example इसका ऐसा है कि when we are feeling hale and healthy, when we are feeling hale and healthy, okay, at that point of time, what do? We do a lot of things which are good, positive, okay. We play, we do so many things, okay. What do we think? We think of new ideas, we think of problem solutions, all this we. So
Hmm.
what we feel when we feel high, what we think is also we also think high. What we also do a lot of things which are good, positive, all that. Now the negative is also equally true. When I'm not feeling healthy, what sort of thing the thoughts I build in? I build in a lot of thoughts about illness, pain, okay, suffering. What I actually are, what am I doing? I also feel sulk. I also feel low. I also don't feel do great things at that point of time. So that is how these two things are related to each other. What I think, what I feel, what I do. ये तीन चीज एक दूसरे के साथ जो बिल्कुल एक साइकिल की तरह जो है एक दूसरे के साथ डिपेंड होके एक दूसरे का काम करता है. That is how we say
Correct,
that even
absolutely.
if things don't go right, we have to think right.
करेक्ट 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 एब्सोल्युटली. तो मुझे वापस से फिर से एक सेइंग जो है डॉक्टर जोसेफ मर्फी की याद आ रही है, जो मैंने पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड वाली बुक में पढ़ा, विच इज रियली रेलेवेंट. वो भी ये क्या बोलते हैं, उन्होंने क्या लिखा है, इट इज फुलिश टू बिलीव इन सिकनेस और इन एनीथिंग दैट विल हर्ट और हार्म यू. बिलीव इन हेल्थ, prosperity, peace, wealth, and divine guidance. तो वो भी यही बोलते हैं, यही एम्फेसाइज करते हैं कि जैसी मैं थॉट प्रोसेस लेके जाऊंगा इन दिस सिचुएशंस, दैट स्टेट विल ड्राइव माय बॉडी, माय एंटायर एक्शन. इवन इफ अ पर्सन हु इज इल, वो उसकी हीलिंग को डबल कर देगा. So there are a lot of evidences also as well. We will not get into it, but I thought let me just put that thought as well, so that at least we can understand. So the next questions I am moving forward. So जो हमारा आज का टॉपिक था लाइफ का गेम. So can you help us to understand this topic basically?
In my actually, I am sorry to viewers. Actually, I just want to say there was some audio problem, and now we have fixed that issue, so we can continue. So, Karthik, I think I'm not sure that voice was went to the viewers or not. So let's start with that point itself, where we were talking about the this thing, right? Uh, your the last question, what we were talking about,
Life ka game.
life ka game. Can we just can you speak, remind your previous conversation? I'm really sorry. I don't know. I mean, there is something wrong.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. So, uh, we spoke earlier about the dependence between the physical personality and the psychological personality.
Yeah.
So, having said this dependence, so that means that there are three domains which these two personalities lead us to: thinking domain, feeling domain, and the doing domain. And these three are completely dependent each other. How we feel depends on how we feel determines how we think, and how we think determines how we act, and how we do. Okay, once again has the impact on how we feel and how we think, and that's how the cycle goes on.
Yeah.
So let me share two examples here. One, a negative example and one positive example over here.
Mhm.
So when somebody is having health, how does one think? One thinks about illness. Okay. One doesn't feel great.
Mhm.
Because he doesn't feel great, what sort of thoughts he breeds? The mind will invite thoughts of pain, suffering, okay, illness, what is not going right. Okay, now when in that frame of thoughts, what sort of a action will emerge from the person? You can't expect great action coming from that person. Now, what has happened? Because the feeling is not good, the thinking is not going right. Because the thinking is not going right, the actions are also not going right.
Mhm.
So that is how one has a cascading effect on the other.
Correct.
Now you can ask me, Why I have called this the theme of today's topic as life ka game.
Hmm.
I've chosen this topic because this cycle of feeling, thinking, doing, okay, this is not something where one has to become a victimized by the cycle.
Hmm.
It is actually a God's gift that the man can choose, okay, to use the cycle to his favor. How
Hmm.
he can do that? Okay, very simple. Even if things are not going right around that person, if
Hmm.
he feels great,
Hmm.
if he feels great, what will happen? He thinks great.
Hmm.
Because he feels great and he thinks great, whatever action he does, even if things are not going right, eventually will help things turn right and turn right the way he wants it.
Hmm.
Is it practically possible? Yes. I'll explain an example from cricket, which we all can easily relate to. Say, for example, when a Virat Kohli is playing and he faces a ball, and human being as we are, we do mistake, and if Virat Kohli does a mistake, he plays a bad shot. Now, that bad shot, will he feel great after the bad shot? Definitely not. If he doesn't feel great, what sort of a thinking, what sort of a thoughts he will invite? He will not invite the right thoughts
Hmm.
because he is not feeling great. He is not inviting right thoughts. In that state, he goes and faces the next ball. What will happen? He will guaranteed that's going to be a bad shot once again.
Hmm.
Now, does he do that? Definitely not. What he will do? He will just step aside,
Hmm.
play, do a shadow practice of the right shot multiple times.
Hmm.
Now, when you play a shadow practice multiple times of the right shot,
Hmm.
and then he comes and then faces the next ball. Now, between then and now, what has happened? The shadow practice of multiple right shots have actually erased the memory of one bad shot.
Hmm.
Now he is able to face the next ball with lot more confidence compared to what he had when he played a bad shot.
Hmm.
He feels great because of the confidence. He feels great because he is feeling great. He is able to think of how he can play the next shot better.
Hmm.
Now the feeling is corrected, thoughts have got corrected. Because the thoughts have got corrected, definitely if he faces with this frame of mind, he faces the next ball is definitely gonna be a good shot.
Correct. Absolutely correct.
Okay. So what he has done, the when the thoughts were not feeling, when even if things were not going right,
Hmm.
he used the power he used the power of managing the cycle of feeling, thinking, doing to his advantage by just stepping out.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
do something which set the feelings right. Because it set the feeling right, it fed the thinking right. Because it set the thinking right, he is able to turn that into a right action.
Hmm. Correct.
Okay,
Correct. Correct.
that is why I have kept the title of this theme of today's discussion as Life Ka Game. Because because it is a game, you can play the game to your advantage.
Correct. Absolutely. So, I understand one needs to manage his thought not only when things are going right in anyone's life. He need to be very careful in managing his thought when things don't go right in his life. Why is this necessary? What happen if he doesn't take control of his thinking in these kind of situations?
So we all are human beings, and because we all are human beings, okay, we will never have a situation in life where everything will go right. When I say everything will go right, it says that everything goes exactly the way I want it. we will never have such a situation in life. There will be occasions where things will go different than what I want to have.
mm,
In that situation, will my thought get disturbed? Definitely yes.
mm,
Because my thought get disturbed, my feelings also get disturbed. Because my feeling has got disturbed, okay, I I feel victimized by that.
mm,
And when I feel victimized by that, my thinking goes low, my feeling goes low, and it will actually have a negative impact on the action.
mm.
And I can alternate. There's an alternative to this. The alternative is, even if things don't go right, I can think of what has gone right.
Mm.
I can think of what all have gone right in the past. Because I'm thinking about what all have gone right in the past, feel grateful about that. Because of that, how I feel great.
Mm,
I feel a sense of gratitude. I
mm,
feel a sense of gratitude because of that. Now, what I'm doing, because of that, my feeling has changed,
mm.
my thinking has changed. I am now using my feeling and thinking to change my action to turn things right and turn things right the way I want it to be.
Correct, 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 correct. Absolutely. So, to understand this, Karthik, one thing is coming to me. I was studying somewhere, few scientists said that you build a new body every 11 months. So, it means change your body by changing your thoughts and keeping them change. So far, a physical standpoint, you are rarely really only 11 months old. Your body is 11 months old. If you build defect back into your body by thought of fear, anger, jealousy, and ill will, you will have no one to blame but only that person's sole responsibility. So that's what I was,
Definitely.
yeah, so that's what I was reading somewhere. So moving to the next question, Karthik, that is, having said the importance of thinking and feeling right, can you tell us how to manage the situations when things don't go the way anyone want?
Thank you, Tribhuvan, for putting this. So many a times, what happens is we come across lot of philosophies,
Hmm,
okay, and ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब सुनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, जानने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
hmm,
Practically इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे करें?
correct.
So
That is
now
important.
that you have asked the right question, okay, about this, तो इसका सीधा साधा प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जो है स्क्रिप्चर्स में बहुत पहले, okay, our elders have already given us. क्या बोलते हैं? ओके, दो चीज है, ग्रेटिट्यूड और प्रेयर. ये दो ही चीज है, सिंपल सी बात है. ये हम लोगों ने बचपन में ही हम लोगों ने सीखा है. ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज वी नेवर न्यू द साइंटिफिक एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस इन आवर लाइफ. ठीक है, हम सीख लेते हैं, जान लेते हैं, समझ लेते हैं. वी डोंट नीड टू फॉलो बोथ. Even if we follow one of the two, one will lead to the other. First, let me talk about gratitude. When I start feeling gratitude for a situation, when I start feeling gratitude for what all have gone right in my life, what happens is, even if things don't go the way I want, I am able to develop the feeling to say that even if my plans have failed, God has a better plan for me.
Hmm,
Even if my plans have failed, God has a better plan for me. This feeling, what will happen? This thinking changes the feeling of, because of my feeling of gratitude, my thinking has changed, and I'm able to see that even if my plan has failed, God has a better plan for me. Now, with this mentality of, with this feeling and with this mentality, if I go and face a situation, what happens? It will definitely get me to think right, feel right, and eventually the actions will also turn right.
Mm.
Because the action is turning right, what will happen? My thinking, feeling, action, all the three, I have used that to turn things. Okay, even if things were not going the way I wanted, I've turned it to my advantage and started using make things work in my advantage.
Mm.
There is a second approach to it, and that is the power of prayer.
Mm.
ये हम लोगों ने बचपन में when we were in school तभी हम लोगों को जो है वो डेली असेंबली में खड़ा होकर प्रेयर करने सिखाया जाता है.
Mm. Mm.
बट ओनली थिंग इज ओके, प्रेयर जिसे अंग्रेजी में प्रेयर कहते हैं उसे हम हिंदी में प्रार्थना कहते हैं. प्रार्थना के अंदर ओके एक शब्द है अर्थ.
Mm.
अर्थ. ओके, सो प्रार्थना के अंदर अर्थ आता है. तो हम जब भी हम प्रार्थना करें हमें जो है हमें उसका अर्थ हमें समझ में आना चाहिए.
Correct.
बिकॉज प्रार्थना is not about words. Prarthana is about what bhavana we bring from inside.
Mm.
And भावना जो है जिस शब्द का अर्थ हमें समझ में नहीं आता तो उसके प्रति हम भावना कैसे प्रकट कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
So you don't need to learn complicated mantra, you don't need to learn complicated shlok, you don't need to learn. अगर सिंपल सी बात है, if your source of faith is Sai Baba, you take the photograph of Sai Baba in front of you and then start singing, हमको सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार है, हमको सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार है. Sai Baba will understand that much better than learning any complicated shlok and presenting in front of him.
Mm.
Simple सी बात है. When I pray, I express my feeling towards my God. I
Mm.
express my feeling towards the source of faith.
Mm.
What sort of feeling? Anything it can be. I can feel grateful and I can speak about how grateful I am feeling about what all is going right in my life.
Mm.
Or even if things are not going the way I want it and I want things, okay, then मांगो मगर भीख मत मांगना.
Mm.
मांगना तो हक से मांगना. अगर
हाँ.
बच्चे को अगर मेरा बच्चा ओके उसे कुछ चाहिए तो मुझसे आके मांगेगा. मुझसे नहीं मांगे तो किससे मांगेगा.
Correct. Correct.
और
Correct.
मुझसे मांगना वो हक से मांगेगा, भीख थोड़ा ना मांगेगा.
Correct.
When as a mortal father I can understand this and I can give my son what he wants when he asks for it.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
he is that immortal father. Okay, he
Mm.
may not necessarily give everything what I want when I want it, but definitely he knows when to give it and he will give it.
Mm.
And हक से मांगूंगा, मिलेगा जरूर. कब मिलेगा? Leave it to him with surrender. And one more very important thing in this prarthana is that when I ask for myself, it will take time to get.
Mm.
When things are not going right in somebody's life,
Mm.
and I say that हे भगवान संभाल लेना उसको,
Mm.
हे भगवान संभाल लेना उसको,
Mm.
I tell you that prarthana will get answered much faster than when I ask for myself.
Absolutely. True. True. Fully agree.
So there is one request which I have towards all those people who are listening to me right now on social media is that when you are asking, do not hesitate to ask for good to happen in life of others around you.
Absolutely.
That is the most selfish thing that you can do is to ask for good to happen in others' life. Because when you ask for good to happen in others' life, it's like when I throw rose water all around me, I will have that rose water falling on me as well.
Correct.
So when I pour water for others' rose garden, okay, my rose will also get taken care. When I look for welfare of people around me, okay, my welfare would also get taken care. That is what happens in the power as a power of prayer.
Absolutely. So, Karthik, इसी थॉट के साथ ये बेसिकली मुझे लग रहा है आज की सिचुएशन में ये जो थॉट है ये सबसे बेहतरीन थॉट है। इसको ही थोड़ा सा मैं आगे बढ़ा रहा हूं कि अल्टीमेटली इसका मीनिंग यही है कि लर्न टू प्रे फॉर योर लव्ड वंस हु मे बी इल, quiet your mind and your thoughts of healing, vitality, and perfections operating through the one universal subjective mind will be felt and resurrected in mind of your loved ones. मतलब ये है कि जो प्रेयर वाली बात आपने एम्फिसाइज करी लास्ट में, इसी थॉट के साथ मैं ये कन्वर्सेशन एंड करने की कोशिश करूंगा आज की। मेरा सिर्फ यही है कि आपके जो भी रिश्तेदार हैं, जानने वाले हैं, दोस्त हैं, अगर आपको पता है कि वो इस समस्या से जूझ रहा है, कोई भी समस्या से जूझ रहा है, इसी से क्यों, अगर आप उसके लिए अपने दिल से थोड़ा सा दुआ मांगे, थोड़ा सा अपने भगवान से प्रेयर करें, जिसको भी जो मानता है, तो वो दुआ उस तक जरूर पहुंचेगी। यही आज की थॉट है मेरी। And thank you so much, Karthik, for having with me today after a long time. And as usual, it was always being a great experience and learning to interact with you. And hope we will continue this our conversation in this forum going forward as well. थोड़ा सा इसकी मेंटेन करेंगे, थोड़ा सा कि हम frequently ये conversation को रखें. And at last, to big thanks to my viewers, those follow and watch my videos in my YouTube channel. Take care yourself, your families, with great thought of happiness and well-being. मैं ये वीडियो को अभी
Thank you very much.
हाँ, मैं ये वीडियो को जो है अभी यहाँ से कॉपी करके इसको मैं अपने YouTube चैनल पर भी डालूंगा। तब तक आप सब लोग अपना ध्यान रखें। कार्तिक, थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार, नमस्कार व्यूअर्स, थैंक यू सो मच एंड बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर।
Thank you all.